वह बहुत चालाक है. He is smart as fox. He is smart as fox. वह बहुत ज़्यादा सोचता है. He overthinks everything. He overthinks everything. वह बहुत धीरे समझता है. He is a bit slow to catch on. He is a bit slow to catch on. वह हमेशा दूसरों पर निर्भर रहता है. He always depends on others. He always depends on others. वह बहुत हिम्मती है. He has a lot of guts. He has a lot of guts. वह हर काम में टांग अड़ाता है. He always interferes in everything. He always interferes in everything. वह बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा हो जाता है. He loses his temper easily. He loses his temper easily. वह हमेशा अपनी ही चाल चलाता है. He always has his own way. He always has his own way. वह बहुत समझदार लड़की है. She has a good head on her shoulders. She had a good head on her shoulders. वह बहुत मेहनत कर रहा है. He is working really hard. He is working really hard. वह किसी की नहीं सुनता. He turns a deaf ear to everyone. He turns a deaf ear everyone. वह बहुत खुशकिस्मत है. He is a lucky as anything. He is lucky as anything. वह बहुत घुलने मिलने वाला है. He is very outgoing. He is very outgoing. वह बहुत आत्मविश्वासी है. He is full of confidence. He is full of confidence. वह बहुत ज़िद्दी है. He sticks to his guns. He sticks to his guns. वह बहुत समझदारी से बोलती है. She chooses her words wisely. She chooses her words wisely. वह हर बात पर बहस करता है. He argues over every little thing. He argues over every little thing. वह बहुत भरोसेमंद है. He is someone you can't count on. He is someone you can count on. वह किसी से डरता नहीं है. He fears no one. He fears no one. वह बहुत महत्वाकांक्षी है. He is highly ambitious. He is highly ambitious. वह हमेशा सच बोलती है. She always speaks her mind. She always speaks her mind. वह छोटी बात को बड़ा बना देती है. He makes a big deal out of nothing. He makes a big deal out of nothing. वह बहुत भावुक हो जाता है. He gets carried away easily. He gets carried away easily. वह बहुत खर्चीला है. He spends money left and right. He spends money left and right. वह हमेशा खुश रहता है. He is always in high spirits. He is always in high spirits. वह बहुत चालू दिमाग का है. He is a sharp-witted. He is a sharp-witted. वह दूसरों की मदद के लिए तैयार रहता है. He is always ready to lend a hand. He is always ready to lend a hand. मैंने गलत सोचा था. I thought wrong. I thought wrong. मुझे अंदर से अच्छा लग रहा है. I feel good inside. I feel good inside. यह बात मुझे छू गई. This touched me. This touched me. मुझे अपनी गलती सुधारनी है. I want to correct my mistakes. I want to correct my mistakes. अब मुझे सच समझ में आ गया है. Now I understand the truth. Now I understand the truth. आज मन हल्का है. I feel light today. I feel light today. कुछ बातें कहनी ज़रूरी थी. Some things needed to be said. Some things needed to be said. अब सब साफ है. Everything is clear now. Everything is clear now. मुझे खुद पर काबू रखना होगा. I need to control myself. I need to control myself. गुस्से में फैसला मत लो. Don't decide in anger. Don't decide in anger. मैं शांत रहने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. I am trying to stay calm. I am trying to stay calm. मुझे यह सुनना ज़रूरी था. I need to hear this. I needed to hear this. अब और दूर नहीं करनी चाहिए. We shouldn't delay anymore. We shouldn't delay anymore. मैं इस मौके को नहीं रखाऊंगा. I won't miss this opportunity. I won't miss this opportunity. यह मेरे लिए सीख है. This is a lesson for me. This is a lesson for me. मैं खुद को मजबूत बना रहा हूँ. I am making myself stronger. I am making myself stronger. हालात मुश्किल है. The situation is tough. The situation is tough. लेकिन मैं तैयार हूँ. But I am ready. But I am ready. मुझे खुद पर भरोसा रखना है. I need to trust myself. I need to trust myself. मैं अपनी सीमा जानता हूँ. I know my limits. I know my limits. अब मुझे रुकना नहीं है. I don't want to stop now. I don't want to stop now. यह सफ़र अभी बाकी है. The journey isn't over yet. The journey isn't over yet. मुझे आगे बढ़ते रहना है. I have to keep moving forward. I have to keep moving forward. डर के आगे जीत है. Courage wins over fear. Courage wins over fear. मैं डर से भागूंगा नहीं. I won't run away from fear. I won't run away from fear. मुझे इससे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. I have no problem with this. I have no problem with this. तुम बिल्कुल सही बात कह रहे हो. You are saying the right thing. You are saying the right thing. मैं अभी इस पर काम कर रहा हूँ. I am working on it right now. I am working on it right now. चलो इसको जल्दी ख़त्म करते हैं. Let's finish this quickly now. Let's finish this quickly now. मुझे तुम्हारी बात समझ आ गई. I understood what you said. I understood what you said. मुझे इस बारे में सोचने दो. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. सब कुछ अभी तक ठीक है. Everything is fine so far. Everything is fine so far. क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे? Will you help me with this? Will you help me with this? मैं इसे बाद में कर लूँगा. I will do it later. I will do it later. यह बिल्कुल भी मुश्किल नहीं है. This is not difficult at all. This is not difficult at all. मुझे अभी थोड़ा समय चाहिए. I need a little time now. I need a little time now. तुम बिल्कुल सही जगह पर हो. You are at the right place. You are at the right place. क्या तुम मेरी बात सुन रहे हो? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? मैं इसे जल्दी ही कर दूंगा. I will do it very soon. I will do it very soon. वह हमेशा मेरी मदद करता है. He always helps me. He always helps me. यह चीज़ मेरे लिए आसान है. This thing is easy for me. This thing is easy for me. मैं अभी घर पहुंच रहा हूँ. I am reaching home right now. I am reaching home right now. मैं अभी थोड़ा बिजी हूँ. I am a bit busy right now. I am a bit busy right now. क्या तुम मेरे साथ चलोगे? Will you come along with me? Will you come along with me? चलो इसे बाद में देखते हैं. Let's look at this later. Let's look at this later. मुझे यह काम पसंद नहीं. I don't like this work. I don't like this work. तुम हमेशा देर से क्यों आते हो? Why do you always come late? Why do you always come late? मुझे उस पर भरोसा नहीं है. I don't trust him at all. I don't trust him at all. मैं तुम्हारे लिए कुछ लाया हूँ. I brought something for you. I brought something for you. सब कुछ समय पर हो जाएगा. Everything will happen on time. Everything will happen on time. मुझे पता है तुम सही हो. I know that you are right. I know that you are right. क्या तुम मुझे समझ सकते हो? Can you explain this to me? Can you explain this to me? मैं अब इस जगह में से जा रहा हूँ. I am leaving this place now. I am leaving this place now. यह बात किसी को मत बताना. Don't tell this to anyone. Don't tell this to anyone. वह मुझे बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं. I don't like him at all. I don't like him at all. आज मेरा मन कुछ ठीक नहीं है. I am not feeling very good today. I am not feeling very good today. मुझे लगता है मुझे और प्रैक्टिस की ज़रूरत है. I think I need more practice. I think I need more practice. अभी मेरा ध्यान भटक गया है. I am getting distracted right now. I am getting distracted right now. चलो इसे एक बार और समझते हैं. Let's understand it once again. Let's understand it once again. मुझे यह आइडिया अच्छा लग रहा है. I like this idea. I like this idea. थोड़ा समय लगेगा लेकिन हो जाएगा. It will take some time but it will be done. It will take some time but it will be done. अभी मैं पूरी तरह रेडी नहीं हूँ. I am not fully ready right now. I am not fully ready right now. आज मैं कुछ नया सीखना चाहती हूँ. Today I want to learn something new. Today I want to learn something new. कोई बात नहीं, हम बाद में देख लेंगे. It's okay, we will see it later. It's okay, we will see it later. मुझे लगता है मैं इम्प्रूव कर रही हूँ. I think I am improving. I think I am improving. आज मेरा दिन थोड़ा स्लो शुरू हुआ. My day started a bit slow today. My day started a bit slow today. मुझे अभी भी नींद नहीं आ रही. I feel sleepy right now. I feel sleepy right now. मैं खुद को मोटिवेट करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. I am trying to motivate myself. I am trying to motivate myself. यह काम उतना मुश्किल नहीं है. This work isn't that difficult. This work isn't that difficult. पहले इसे समझ लेते हैं. First, let's try to understand this. First, let's try to understand this. मुझे थोड़ा ब्रेक लेना है. I need to take a break. I need to take a break. क्या तुम मेरी बात समझ रहे हो? Do you understand my point? Do you understand my point? अभी जल्दी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Let's not rush right now. Let's not rush right now. आज मैं बेहतर महसूस कर रही हूँ. I am feeling better today. I am feeling better today. चलो आज इसे यहीं रोकते हैं. Let's wrap it up for today. Let's wrap it up for today. तुम कुछ कहना चाहते हो? You want to say something? You want to say something? तुम्हारी आंखें सब बता रही हैं. Your eyes say everything. Your eyes say everything. शब्दों की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Words are not needed. Words are not needed. मैं समझ गया हूँ. I understand. I understand. खुद को रोकने की कोशिश मत करो. Don't try to hold yourself back. Don't try to hold yourself back. सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. मैं यही हूँ. I am right here. I am right here. अकेले नहीं हो तुम. You are not alone. You are not alone. बात को घुमा मत. Don't beat around the bush. Don't beat around the bush. साफ जवाब दो. Give a clear answer. Give a clear answer. समय बर्बाद मत करो. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. अगर नहीं तो साफ मना कर दो. If not, just say no clearly. If not, just say no clearly. मुझे इंतज़ार नहीं करना. I don't want to wait. I don't want to wait. डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. There is no need to be afraid. There is no need to be afraid. मैं कर सकता हूँ. I can do it. I can do it. हार मानना विकल्प नहीं है. Giving up is not an option. Giving up is not an option. आज नहीं तो कल. If not today, then tomorrow. If not today, then tomorrow. मैं बेहतर बन रहा हूँ. I am getting better. I am getting better. तुम बदल गए हो. You have changed. You have changed. मैं पहले जैसा नहीं रहा. I am not the same anymore. I am not the same anymore. सबको खुश रहना आसान नहीं है. It's not easy to keep everyone happy. It's not easy to keep everyone happy. कुछ बातें दिल में ही अच्छी लगती हैं. Some things are better left unsaid. Some things are better left unsaid. मैं समझ रहा हूँ लेकिन चुप हूँ. I understand, but I am silent. I understand, but I am silent. हर जवाब देना ज़रूरी नहीं होता. Not every answer need to be given. Not every answer need to be given. अब फ़र्क पड़ता है. Now it matters. Now it matters. मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, बस समय दो. I am trying, just give me time. I am trying, just give me time. मैं ज़्यादा सोच लेता हूँ. I overthink a lot. I overthink a lot. कभी कभी दूर ही सही होता है. Sometimes distance is the right choice. Sometimes distance is the right choice. मैं खुद को साबित करूँगा. I will prove myself. I will prove myself. सब्र रखो, वक्त बदलता है. Be patient, time changes. Be patient, time changes. मैं अब पहले जैसा भरोसा नहीं करता. I don't trust like before. I don't trust like before. मुझे हल्के में मत लो. Don't take me lightly. Don't take me lightly. मेरी तैयारी अभी पूरी नहीं है. My preparation is not complete yet. My preparation is not complete yet. क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help me? Can you help me? मुझे यह चैप्टर समझ में नहीं आया. I didn't understand this chapter. I didn't understand this chapter. आज पढ़ने का मन नहीं है. I don't feel like studying today. I don't feel like studying today. कल से पक्का शुरू करूँगा. I will definitely start from tomorrow. I will definitely start from tomorrow. मुझे अच्छे नंबर लाने हैं. I want to score good marks. I want to score good marks. मैं रोज़ थोड़ा थोड़ा पढ़ता हूँ. I study a little every day. I study a little every day. एग्ज़ाम नज़दीक आ रहे हैं. Exams are coming near. Exams are coming near. मुझे टेंशन हो रही है. I am feeling stressed. I am feeling stressed. मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ फोकस करने की. I am trying to focus. I am trying to focus. यह सवाल थोड़ा मुश्किल है. This question is a bit difficult. This question is a bit difficult. मुझे रिवीजन करना है. I need to revise. I need to revise. मैं हार नहीं मानूंगा. I won't give up. I won't give up. समय बहुत कम है. There is very little time. There is very little time. मैंने अपने लक्ष्य पर ध्यान दे रही हूँ. I am focusing on my goal. I am focusing on my goal. आज मैं पूरा सिलेबस ख़त्म करूँगा. I will finish the whole syllabus today. I will finish the whole syllabus today. मेरा ध्यान भटक रहा है. I am getting distracted. I am getting distracted. चलो पढ़ाई शुरू करें. Let's start studying. Let's start studying. फ़ोन दूर रखो. Keep the phone away. Keep the phone away. मैं बेहतर कर सकता हूँ. I can do better. I can do better. मुझे खुद पर भरोसा है. I trust myself. I trust myself. गलती से सीखना चाहिए. We should learn from mistake. We should learn from mistakes. रिजल्ट जैसा भी हो मैं मेहनत करूँगा. No matter the result, I will work hard. No matter the result, I will work hard. मैं समय का सही उपयोग करूँगा. I will use my time wisely. I will use my time wisely. अब सीरियस होने का समय है. It's time to get serious. It's time to get serious. मैं रोज़ अभ्यास कर रहा हूँ. I am practicing daily. I am practicing daily. यह मेरा सपना है. This is my dream. This is my dream. मेहनत कभी बेकार नहीं जाती. Hard work never goes waste. Hard work never goes waste. मुझे सफल होना है. I want to succeed. I want to succeed. मैं तैयार हूँ. I am ready. I am ready. वह जोर से डकार ले रहा है. He is burping loudly. He is burping loudly. मुझे सांस लेने में दिक्कत हो रही है. I am having trouble breathing. I am having trouble breathing. वह अपना सिर खुजा रहा है. He is scratching his head. He is scratching his head. उसकी उंगली से खून बह रहा है. His finger is bleeding. His finger is bleeding. मुझे हाथ में खुजली हो रही है. I am having itching in my hand. I am having itching in my hand. वह रात में खर्राटे ले रहा है. He is snoring at night. He is snoring at night. वह शर्म से लाल हो रहा है. She is blushing. She is blushing. वह ठंड से कांप रहा है. He is shivering with cold. He is shivering with cold. मुझे बहुत पसीना आ रहा है. I am sweating a lot. I am sweating a lot. मुझे हिचकी आ रही है. I am getting hiccups. I am getting hiccups. वह सड़क पर थूक रहा है. He is spitting on the road. He is spitting on the road. मुझे उल्टी जैसा लग रहा है. I feel like vomiting. I feel like vomiting. वह जल्दी जल्दी पानी गटक रहा है. He is gulping water quickly. He is gulping water quickly. वह गहरी आह भर रहा है. He is sighing deeply. He is sighing deeply. वह मुझे घूर रहा है. He is staring at me. He is staring at me. वह धीरे धीरे फुसफुसा रहा है. He is whispering softly. He is whispering softly. मुझे लगातार छींक आ रही है. I am sneezing continuously. I am sneezing continuously. वह रात भर खांस रहा था. He was coughing all night. He was coughing all night. मुझे बार बार जमाएं आ रही है. I am yawning again and again. I am yawning again and again. वह बहुत तेज दिमाग है. He has a sharp mind. He has a sharp mind. वह बहुत दिखावा करता है. He likes to show off. He likes to show off. वह बिना सोचे समझे बोल देता है. He speaks without thinking. He speaks without thinking. वह बहुत चालू है. He is very cunning. He is very cunning. वह हर किसी से जल्दी जल्दी घुल मिल जाता है. He mixes up with everyone easily. He mixes up with everyone easily. वह बहुत समझदारी से काम लेता है. She handles everything wisely. She handles everything wisely. वह बहुत सीधा है. He is very simple and straightforward. He is very simple and straightforward. वह बहुत अकड़ू है. He has a big ego. He has a big ego. वह बहुत मिलनसार है. He is very friendly. He is very friendly. वह हर बात दिल पर ले लेता है. He takes everything to heart. He takes everything to heart. वह बहुत कंजूस है. He hates spending money. He hates spending money. उसे मनाना आसान नहीं है. He is not easy to convince. He is not easy to convince. वह बहुत नखरे करता है. She is very hard to please. She is very hard to please. वह बहुत बातूनी है. He never stops talking. He never stops talking. वह मौके का फ़ायदा उठाना जानता है. He knows how to grab an opportunity. He knows how to grab opportunity. वह जल्दी घबरा जाता है. He easily loses his nerves. He easily loses his nerves. वह अपनी गलती मानता नहीं है. He never admits his mistake. He never admits his mistake. वह दूसरों की बातों में आ जाता है. He is easily influenced. He is easily influenced. वह हमेशा बहाने बनाता रहता है. He is always making excuses. He is always making excuses. वह बहुत घमंडी हो गया है. He has become full of himself. He has become full of himself. वह बात को घुमा देता है. He twists the story. He twists the story. वह हम हर काम आखिरी समय पर करता है. He does everything at the last minute. He does everything at the last minute. वह बहुत समझदार फैसला लेता है. She makes every sensible decision. She makes very sensible decisions. वह छोटी सी बात पर नाराज़ हो जाता है. He gets upset over small things. He gets upset over small things. जो सही है वही करूँगा. I will do what is right. I will do what is right. मेरी चुप्पी को कमज़ोरी मत समझो. Don't mistake my silence for weakness. Don't mistake my silence for weakness. अब मैं किसी के पीछे नहीं भागूंगा. I won't chase anyone anymore. I won't chase anyone anymore. मुझे खुद पर भरोसा है. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. मैं धीरे चल रहा हूँ पर रुक नहीं रहा. I am moving slowly but not stopping. I am moving slowly but not stopping. हर चीज़ का हिसाब होता है. Everything has its account. Everything has its account. मैं थका नहीं बस सोच रहा हूँ. I am not tired, just thinking. I am not tired, just thinking. मुझे अब शांति चाहिए. Now I want peace. Now I want peace. मैं अपनी गलतियों से सीखता हूँ. I learn from my mistakes. I learn from my mistakes. यह आखिरी बार है. This is the last time. This is the last time. मैं अब अपने फैसले खुद लेता हूँ. I make my own decisions now. I make my own decisions now. जो सच है वही रहेगा. The truth will remain the same. The truth will remain the same. मुझे हल्की बातें पसंद नहीं. I don't like shallow talks. I don't like shallow talks. समय सबको जवाब दे देता है. Time answers everything. Time answers everything. मैं अब बहस नहीं करता. I don't argue anymore. I don't argue anymore. हर किसी को खुश करना मेरा काम नहीं है. It's not my job to please everyone. It's not my job to please everyone. मैं खुद को खोना नहीं चाहता. I don't want to lose myself. I don't want to lose myself. बात ख़त्म. अब काम की बात करें. Enough talks. Let's get to work. Enough talk. Let's get to the work. मैं अब पीछे मुड़कर नहीं देखता. I don't look back anymore. I don't look back anymore. तुमने मौका खो दिया. You lost your chance. You lost your chance. मैं कमज़ोर नहीं, बस शांत हूँ. I am not weak, just calm. I am not weak, just calm. सबक सीखने का समय आ गया है. It's time to teach a lesson. It's time to teach a lesson. मैं दिल में सोचता हूँ, दिमाग से फैसला करता हूँ. I think with my heart but decide with my mind. I think with my heart but decide with my mind. अब मुझे किसी की उम्मीद नहीं है. I don't expect that from anyone anymore. I don't expect that from anyone anymore. कभी कभी चुप रहना बेहतर होता है. Sometimes staying silent is better. Sometimes staying silent is better. मैं बदल नहीं रहा, मैं सीख रहा हूँ. I am not changing, I am learning. I am not changing, I am learning. मुझे झूठ से नफरत है. I hate lies. I hate lies. मुझे अब सब साफ दिखता है. I see everything clearly now. I see everything clearly now. हर बार मैं ही क्यों समझूं? Why should I always understand? Why should I always understand? अब मैं पहले जैसा रिएक्ट नहीं करता. I don't react like before. I don't react like before.